Let's take a look at our in-house precise control system with our own patent. Our control centers discreetly integrate into kitchen cabinetry, maintaining full space functionality. Pre-wired power and network cables enable immediate activation. Smart controls synchronize air handling units, manifolds, sealing manifolds, and pump stations. Each controlled part has its specific design plan. Pump stations feature dedicated circuits, control relays, and thermal sensors for system reliability. To optimize kitchen air quality, this system intelligently links to exhaust hood controls, maintaining balanced pressure through automated airflow adjustments. Sensors are precision calibrated to airflow dynamics and radiant panel systems. Strategically placed away from exterior walls, our shielded network blocks external interference for lab-grade accuracy. Sensor deployment should match room dimensions. For compact spaces, a single unit suffices. In open concept areas like living dining spaces, sensor count should scale with square footage, typically requiring 2 units for optimal coverage. Our daisy-chained network ensures seamless data transmission to the central hub. All endpoints, control, power, and terminal lines converge at the hub, enabling real-time optimization through precision control.